Today I'm going to show you how to add background music to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is going to follow 6 simple steps. You don't want to skip any of them. You want to start by either dragging your background music onto your timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro for your project, or adding it to the project bin, and then you can drag it to the timeline from there. Once you have your music on the timeline, what you want to do is you want to match the music to the length of your video in many cases. So if you want to match it to your video or your clip, you're going to want to use the remix tool rather than just trying to cut this or extend the rate, which is going to alter the sound. The remix tool is going to be the third icon on your toolbar menu to the left of your timeline. It's going to be the fourth option. You're going to see the ripple edit, the rolling edit, and the rate stretch icon, and then the fourth one down will be the remix tool. You want to select that. With the remix tool selected, you want to go to the end of your audio track. You want to extend it to match the clip that you're trying to sync with on the timeline. If you want to fade your audio track in or out, you want to go to the beginning or the end of the audio track. You want to hover on it until you see a gray icon appear on your audio track. You're going to want to click on that and drag that in order to fade it in or out, depending on whether you're at the beginning or the end of the track. If you have a voice in your video content rather than just footage, you'll want to make sure that your background music is not overpowering the vocal track. There are 2 ways you can handle this. You could go to the Essential Sound panel in Adobe Premiere Pro, and you could go ahead and select the music type label, and then you'll get some options. Now you can apply auto ducking in one click, and you can choose to adjust this or to have it reset its keyframes so that it doesn't overpower the voice in your videos, and it will go ahead and bring the music back up to higher levels if there's a point in the video where there's not a voice track present. You can also auto duck to everything if you have other things in your different audio layers, including sound effects if you're doing more advanced sound design. There is an alternative method to this. If you go to the audio track mixer and you select the audio track that your music is on, you can adjust the slider there. I usually set it to -22 dB, somewhere in that range, and you just want to play this by ear, but if you adjust it, you can make sure that it's not overpowering the voice in your video. And that is how you add background music in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to use copyright-free music in your YouTube videos, I definitely recommend Epidemic Sound. It's what I typically use. I'll give you my affiliate link in the description. But if you want to use copyright music without getting copyright strikes or claims in your videos, watch my tutorial on how to legally use copyright music in YouTube. Thanks so much. I'll catch you in the next video.